Hi again. Welcome to another in the GSAT and PEP Mathematics Summary Series compiled by Techno-Teacher JA. This is question 41 out of 150 questions. This question asks, during a 5-day collection drive, grade 6 students collected $14,071. What was the mean collection per day? The choices are 2,000 for $2,345.17. B, $2,814.20. C, $14,071. D, $70,355. Again, the question and choices. During a 5-day collection drive, grade 6 students collected $14,071. What was the mean collection per day? A, $2,345.17. B, $2,814.20. C, $14,071. D, $70,355. What is mean and how do you calculate mean? Do you know about mean? I will give you about a minute to come up with your answer. After about a minute, my answer will come up. Then you'll have about another minute to review my answer before I come in again and explain the answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Okay, to get the mean, you add up the total and divide by the amount of numbers that you totaled. So to get the mean, you add a certain amount of numbers and you divide by that certain amount of numbers. In this case, it was a 5-day collection, which was already added. It was already added and it was already told to be $14,071, so you don't need to add it again. So what are you going to do? What is left to do? Divide 14,071 by 5. because it was collected over a 5-day period, I want to know what is the mean collection per day. So you divide 14,071 by 5. Okay, so let's divide. So you line up the division symbol, you put on the inside 14,071, and on the outside you put 5. So you line up the division symbol, and on the inside you put 14071, and on the outside you put 5. Now let's divide. 5 into 1 we can't, so we cross out that 1 and put a small 1 beside the 4. That makes it 14. 5 into 14, 5 times 2 goes 10 times. 5 times 2 is 10, so that goes 2 times. Remain how much? Remain 4. So we'll put the 4 beside it, a small 4 beside the 0 beside it, and write as 2 above the 14. Next, 5 into 40. That 4 and 0 made 40, so 5 into 40 now goes 8 times exactly. 5 times 8 is 40. So 5 into 40 goes 8 times exactly without any remainder. And then we go over to the 7. 5 into 7. 5 into 7 goes 1 time. So you write a 1 above the 7. Remain how much? 5 into 7 goes 1 time. Remain how much? Remain 2. So write a small 2 beside the 1. And that makes it 21. And then you say 5 into 21. 5 times 4 make 20. 5 into 21, 5 times 4 make 20, so that's 4 times. So you write a 4 above the 21, and what's the remainder? 1. For that you put a point and then a 0 and write the small 1 beside that 0. So for that you put a point and then a 0 and then a small 1 beside that 0. That makes point 10. Point 10. Put that point over point. 5 into 10, 5 to 10 goes 2 times exactly without any remainder. 5 to 10 goes 2 times exactly without any remainder. That actually becomes 20 cents. 20 cents. So we're finished with the division here. So we're finished with the division now. So the answer is $2,814.20. 5 into 4, 5 into 14,071 goes $2,814.20. So the answer is $2,814.20. So that makes it B. Again, the question and answer is: during a 5-day collection drive, grade 6 students collected $14,071. What was the mean collection per day? The answer: $2,814.20. $2,814.20. Okay, so I'll give you about another minute again to look back at the question again and to review my answer once again, and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Something for your child to do this summer. GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with answers. Only $4,000 for 50 tests with answers. Email Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com for free samples and payment information. These are GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with worked out and explained answers for the mathematics and answers for the other subjects. You should give your child who is entering grade 4, 5 or 6 these tests to do in the summer before they start school in September. So if the child is going in grade 4, if a child is going in grade 5, or if a child is going in grade 6, they can do these tests. So remember, if the child is going in grade 4, they can do these tests. GSAT and PEP starts from grade 4. So you should watch my videos from as early as grade 3. And then when the child is going, before the child goes to school in September, in the summer before they start school, in the summer before they start grade 4, they can do these practice tests. GSAT actually starts from grade 4 and PEP actually starts from grade 4 and it continues in grade 5. Grade 6 is just a revision grade. You only revise in grade 6. The months September, October, November, and the half of December that your child goes to school in grade 6 is just revision of what they did in grade 4 and grade 5. Yes, the months September, October, November, and the half of December that they go to school in grade 6 is just revision that they do during those times. They revise what they did in grades 4 and grade 5. Come January and February, it's just practice tests and mock exams. As of January, it's just practice tests and mock exams that your child does in school. So you should have done all this. So you should have done all the reading, watched all the videos, did all the studying before January in grade 6. After that, it's just practice tests and mock exams. After that, it's just stress to try to let the child get to catch up after January. It's stress. It can be done, but it's stressful. So start these tests. You can do them in the summer before your child starts grade 4, or in the summer before your child starts grade 5, or in the summer before your child starts grade 6. Something useful to do in the summer: GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with answers. So write down that email address. Write down the email address: Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. And email me to get free samples of the test of the GSAT and PEP past papers and practice tests with answers. You will get free samples and then you can decide to purchase the set of 50 tests with answers. So you can email me from the email address that you would like the test sent to, so that I will have the email address ready and correct to send the test to. So email me from the email address that you would like the test sent to. So go ahead, write down that email address and ask for free samples now. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.